severe. The National Weather Service in Birmingham has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Jefferson County, west central St. Clair County, until 5:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:58 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Fultondale, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include northern Birmingham, Trusto, Gardendale, Leeds, Moody, Fultondale, Center Point, Clay, Pinson, Tarrant, Adamsville, Argo, Graysville, Morris, Brookside, Cardiff, Sona Lakes, Chalkville, Grayson Valley, and Birmingham Airport. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send your report to the National Weather Service office in Birmingham. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Alabama: Jefferson and St. Clair.